All right, let's dive into a discovery that is seriously shaking up our cosmic photo album. A team of Indian scientists has found something way out in the deep universe. And trust me, it has astronomers everywhere talking. Just take a second and think about that. Somewhere out there across the unimaginable emptiness of space, there's a galaxy that's a near perfect reflection of our own. For a long, long time, that whole idea felt more like science fiction than actual science. But guess what? It's not a hypothetical anymore. That very idea just slammed into reality thanks to a huge discovery that is sending shockwaves through the world of astronomy. So it's time to meet our cosmic sibling. Scientists have given it a name, Alaknanda, and it's a galaxy that looks, well, it looks incredibly familiar, even though it's on the complete other side of the universe we can see. So, you know our cosmic address, right? We live in the Milky Way, or Akashganga. What these scientists have found is basically its mirror image, a galaxy they've named Alaknanda. And we're not just talking similar, it seems to be a near-perfect twin, right down to its structure. Now this is where things get truly mind-bending. The researchers didn't just say the galaxies were alike. Their actual observation was, and I quote, "Everything is exactly the same." I mean, think about that. To be able to say something that definitive, looking across billions of light years, it's just incredible. And just how far are we talking? A casual 12 billion light years. That number is so big, it's almost impossible to wrap your head around. But here's the thing. It's not just a measure of distance. It's also a measure of time. Yeah, because of that insane distance, when we look at Alaknanda, we're not just looking across space. We are, quite literally, looking through a cosmic time capsule, deep, deep into the universe's past. So here's the key takeaway. The light we're seeing from Alaknanda today started its journey 12 billion years ago. That means we're not seeing the galaxy as it is right now, we're seeing it in its youth, as it was when the entire universe was just a teenager. We're basically looking at its baby picture.
And this is where the discovery goes from really cool to history-making. Because what scientists saw in that ancient picture of Alaknanda completely flips the script on our long-held theories about how the early universe was supposed to behave. This pretty much sums up the problem perfectly. For decades, the standard thinking was that young galaxies were total chaos, these violent, messy places full of collisions and explosions. But Alaknanda, it tells a totally different story. It's calm, it's stable, it is shockingly orderly.
Yeah, instead of a cosmic mosh pit, what they're seeing is this serene, peaceful environment. They can tell that stable solar systems are forming, planets are settling into orbits, and stars are just shining. This isn't the chaotic nursery we expected to find. It's a fully grown-up, organized system that came together way earlier than our models ever said was possible.
So, what does this all mean? Why does one calm galaxy, so ridiculously far away, even matter? Well, because it could fundamentally change our entire understanding of how everything got here.
We're not talking about a small footnote in a textbook here. The researchers themselves said it. This could completely transform our understanding of the universe. It forces us to rethink the whole timeline of cosmic evolution. It suggests that stable, organized galaxies, the kind that might be able to support life, could have been around much, much earlier than we ever dared to believe. And that leaves us with this massive, lingering question. If our basic ideas about the early universe were this far off, what other fundamental truths are just waiting to be completely overturned? The discovery of Alaknanda is an awesome, and frankly, a humbling reminder that the universe is still full of surprises.